Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can access the sources that have been used for a reply or response on Qwen AI, for example, for double checking. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your account on Qwen AI, navigate to your conversation, wait for it to finish loading, and usually you will see the list of sources here to the right. For example, if you scroll to the bottom of the last reply, you will see this symbol here, which means in this case here, if I'm reading correctly, plus 47 sources that have been used within the given text. You may also browse through the given reply and you will see, for example, these sources here. If you hover your mouse over it, like, I don't know, magazines, newspapers, journals, academic texts, and so on and so forth from all across the internet. And here to the right, guys, what you want to do is, for example, browse through these sources as well, right? So you will see the list here, which is exactly 47 with the exact address, so that you can double check this source. For example, go to that website, check if the information is correct and accurate. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.